Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste jobs on USAJObs24.com. Before now I've been doing this through phone call, trying to teach people on how to do this through phone call, but I've discovered that it's not really helping. I got myself exhausted doing the same thing to so many people. Before the day runs out, I have to be on a lengthy call for over 20 people trying to teach them how to do this. But at the end of the day, most of them don't really pick up what I'm doing, they really understand what I'm doing. So I have to create this video. At the end of this video, you'll be able to upload jobs. Be able to upload jobs on USAJobs24 easily. And if you understand this, you can do this within 5 minutes. So this is the steps you follow to get this job done and get paid. So you can see this page. The first link I put here is registration link. First and foremost, you have to register. Look at how I will register. I copy the link, go to Chrome, paste the link. This is where you register. Type in your username. In this case, I'm just want to show you my username is linethought. Type in your email address, linethought@gmail.com. Click I'm not a robot. Once it takes right, you click register. After registration, you see registration complete. Please check your mail. You have to go back to your mail to confirm your registration. When you go find it, there are a lot of boxes. Refresh your page, refresh your email. If not in inbox, you have to find it in all the boxes you have. You can even go to spam to check. Look at it here in spam. USAJobs24 login details. So you can see my username is linethought. You copy it. So to set your password, visit the following address. You click it. Your password. This is where you set your password. I will go for 999J5. Let's go again. 999J5. Good. 999J5. Good. That's my password. So you can see it's weak, but you can still use it by clicking confirm use of weak password. Can you see? And click reset password. So once you've done resetting your password, go ahead and click login. Remember, my username is linethought. Password, I just pasted it. Now click login. With that, you are in the dashboard. You are done registering on the site. The next thing to do is to go back to the page, the first page we were, and pick the second URL. The second URL is https://usajobs24.com/submit. This is where you submit jobs. You copy it, go to Chrome, paste it. You can paste it on a new tab. This is the page you submit the job. You can see submit job. You can see here your account. You are currently signed in as linethought. That's my username. When you do this, whatever you do will be tracked. This username will be attached to all your jobs so that you can know how many jobs you've uploaded, so that we can know how much we will pay you. You have to sign up. I hope signing up is easy. And you're not going to be doing this every time. You sign up once and for all. So the next thing you are going to do after visiting the job submission page, you go to job source. You can see I put here example job source where you'll be copying jobs from. Like I said, this copy and paste jobs. This is where you'll be copying from. Look at this link. This link is not for everyone. Everybody will have their separate links. So do not copy this link and use. Don't copy it and use. I will send you your own job source link. This link is for just one person, of which I already sent it to. So I'm using it as an example. You copy the link, go to Chrome, paste it. This link leads you to UPS job search page. UPS job search page. For instance, this will have over 1,938 jobs. You have 1,938 jobs in the search results. So your link will be similar to this. You have a lot of jobs on the job link page I will send to you. So we begin to copy each of these jobs to that website. So you can see there are a lot of work to do and there are a lot of money to be made. So you go back to the job submission page, job submit job. You can see you have job title, you have location, you have job type, either full-time, internship, part-time, remote, temporary, work from home. Remote are jobs that have locations other than the office. Work from home are jobs you can work at the comfort of your home. Like this one you are doing is a work from home job. You select job categories from the job list depending on which job you are working on. I'll show you how to do it. Description. This is where you paste the job description. Application URL. This is where you post the application URL so that when someone clicks the URL, the person will be able to submit the application. This is where you put salary, if applicable. There are some jobs that list salary. There are some jobs that does not have salary. This is important information if the job have important information. Here are the company details. The company name, you put it here, is compulsory. The company website is optional. Tagline is optional. Video is optional. Twitter username is optional. Logo is optional. After that, you click I'm not a robot. Of course, you have to confirm that you are a human being, then save as draft. So that's the walkthrough of the job submission page. So now we go ahead and do the practical, copying our job and pasting them here. So we go back to our job page. Let's try this as number one job. You right click it and open on a new tab. Push it to the page so that you'll be able to work well. You can see this is the job title. So copy the job title, go to job submission page, put it there. You can see location. The location is at Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville, Kentucky. So to make it easier to understand the spelling of Kentucky, because some of these names could be difficult to spell, Louisville, Kentucky. So it's there. So you copy Louisville, KY to job location. And the job is full-time. You can see it there. So the full-time remains. The job category is UPS jobs. So you find UPS jobs. Sometimes if you did not find a job category, you call me. Call me if you're Bama. I'll create a job category for you. You can see that is UPS jobs. Then we also have warehouse job is not included there. I'll go and add it up. I'll add it up there. So the next level is the job description. Now, please, this is very important. Go back to the Microsoft Word page I sent to you. You see default intro. This is default introduction. From here to here, default introduction. This is just a template. All this information will be changed. Like you see, here is Amazon warehouse jobs in Northborough, Massachusetts, USA. It's going to be changed. So this is what I'm going to do. I'll copy it from the first word to description. You copy it, go to Chrome, paste it there. Once you paste it there, you can see this job is not Amazon warehouse job. This is actually a UPS Universal UPS warehouse jobs in, and it's not in Northborough, Massachusetts. It's actually in Kentucky. It's actually in Louisville, Kentucky. You can see it's actually in Louisville, Kentucky, USA. So the next thing is this place. You can see apply for warehouse team member job at Amazon. This is the old information we copied from the Microsoft Word document. So you have to replace that with the job title. Okay, have you seen? Apply for warehouse. You remove this. This is the old job title, and instead that full-time job ads. This is Amazon. You remove Amazon and put the current company, which is the UPS. At UPS, then you can see Northborough MS. Also change this to the current job location. Then these other ones remain. See job description, requirement, and link to apply. You are done with the first stage. Then job location, remember to bold it. Job location, job position rather, you copy the job position here and put it here. Have you seen? Job ID, you go to the job page. This is the job ID, KYLS. You find job ID. There are some jobs that does not have job ID anyway. So if the job you are working on does not have job ID, you can put there not applicable. Remember to bold the job ID, bold job type. Job type is full-time, so that remain. Required shift time. Every job has shift time, but if it does not have shift time, go ahead and put there not applicable. This is the shift time. You copy it, take it to this place. Take it there, remove it, press this one. Remember to bold the required shift time. Have you seen? The location here, you change it to Kentucky. Of course, there is a detailed job location here, so I'll prefer you pick this one. Have you seen? Primary location. Copy and paste it there. Did you see how I paste? Right click, paste. Remember to bold the location. So the next one is job opportunity vary by location. We update postings daily with opening position. That should remain. You go to hourly pay rate. I checked this job, I did not see hourly pay rate. So there are some jobs that have hourly pay rate. But if the job you are working on, like this one, does not have hourly pay rate, they've not stated it. You write here, not stated. Have you seen? Remember to bold the hourly pay rate. Deadline. Most of these jobs are open for application. So no deadline for application. So immediate openings available right now. So going straight to job description, you bold it and are ready to paste the detailed job description. Go back to the job page. You can see this is the detailed job description. You copy it from here. We are recruiting to here. You select it, copy, go back to the job page and paste. There you have it. There you have it. So remember to bold the requirement and italicize this thing. Format it very well, because how you format it here is how it will look on the site. Look at what I'm doing. I'm trying to format it just like you use your Microsoft Word. It's not difficult to do. Format it very well. You've seen it. Okay. With that, the next thing is application emails to URL. You can see this is my email I used to register on the site. So that's not the application email. You remove it. You remove it. You remove, select it and delete, or you backspace, remove it. Go to the job site. You will see apply now button. Once you see apply now button, click on it. Click on the apply now button. When you click on the apply now button, the final URL is, this is the final URL. Starting from https://VPS. So you copy it. Copy it. Go to the job page, application URL. You right click and paste. Have you seen it? So that's the link. So salary was not stated, so you leave it. Important information, yes. If you go to the job page, you'll find an important information. Go to the job page, you'll find an important information. UPS is an equal opportunity employer. Have you seen? UPS does not discriminate. That's important information. So you select it, copy it. But this particular important information, this particular section is not very compulsory. It's not compulsory. You can skip it to avoid wasting time. You can also do it to make your work very easy. Yeah, we are getting to the company details. You type the UPS. UPS. UPS is actually an abbreviation of a company called United Parcel Service. You can see. Then job website is optional. Leave, tagline, leave, video, leave, username, Twitter username, leave, logo, leave. Are you human? Yes, you have to take this and prove your humanity. Once it takes right, you are done. All you need to do is to save as draft. Click save as draft. You are done. Draft was saved. You can see job listing draft can be resumed from from the job dashboard. That means you can add something, you can remove something, but I will take over from there by editing what you did and publishing it. Hope you understand. If you have any issue, if you have any question, you have my phone number, have my email. You call me, you send a message, I'll respond to you accordingly. Thank you very much for watching.